Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on noise cancellation on your Xiaomi Buds 4. Okay, so we got two methods to do this. First one, we can make it by using this Xiaomi earbuds application. You can get it for free from the Play Store. When you are connected with this application, you will be welcome with this screen. You have to find this panel so you can switch between noise cancellation and the transparency mode by tapping on each icon. Of course, you have to put your earphones to the ears. Let me show you. I'm gonna cover this sensor, and right now I will be able to switch as you can see right now. It's working, but we have to get the both of them. So let's cover also this one, this sensor. And right now we can simply switch between transparency mode, noise cancellation. We can also turn on adaptive noise cancellation and set the strength of this function. And the second way how we can make it by using this gesture navigation. So you just have to click and hold the left or the right, take a look, until we successfully switch between modes. So just click and hold this touch control panel until we switch, and it works the same for this one, the right one. And if you have any bugs, you can go for the gestures and be sure that on the left and the right it's selected to turn on the noise cancellation. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.